Do you want to see our Canada to California road trip?
Well, that's what we're fixing to show you.
Hey y'all, I'm Cole.
And I'm Dawn.
And we're younger every day.
So basically, we bought a fifth wheel, sold almost everything we had in Texas, packed up the kids and the dog, and headed west.
Now I'm going to school and we're loving this crazy life.
On this channel, we take you on amazing adventures, do product reviews, share tips and tricks for RV living, and occasionally take you on road trips like this one.
So if you're new here, click subscribe to join the younger gang, and don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss out on any of the fun.
And if you haven't seen some of our other videos, you can click right up here to get all caught up.
As you might have seen, we managed to make it from Texas to Canada, where we spent a week on our Alaskan cruise, and then almost a week staying in Squamish, British Columbia, which was awesome. If you haven't seen that, you can click right over there to check out that playlist. And then we left from Canada, and we just made it down to Southern California, and that was another pretty epic road trip. I mean, we've been doing this for a little while and basically had two back-to-back 10-plus day road trips, pulling the rig, stopping every night or every other night, and we've had a good time. It's been a good trip.
Done a lot of fun stuff.
Absolutely. And now we want to show you some of the beautiful views along the way. That was our epic road trip from Canada to Southern California. Now we want to know,
What is your favorite drive across the country?
let us know in the comments below. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure and give us a thumbs up and let us know.
And don't forget to hit subscribe so you can join the Younger Gang and be a part of this awesome community.
Also, we hope you'll check out some of our other videos right over there. So, taking off from Texas and making it to Canada in 2 weeks, and then making it from Canada to California in less than 2 weeks. Sharing it with you guys, that's just another way we're living younger every day.
Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.